Today we're going to show you a quick gate repair. We built this gate for a customer about a week or two ago, and they just brought it back to us because somebody put a ball right through the picket, and we have this big hole right in the gate, and they were worried that the gate was useless, broken, beyond repair, and we're going to show you real quick how to repair this gate. Let's get started. First thing we got to do is we got to get this cap off, because we're going to take the gate apart and we want to get this board and we want to put a new board in here. So I'm just going to try to pop this cap off, and if I break the cap, it's not a big deal because it's cap broke because it was glued on, and it doesn't matter. Well, let's throw it away and let's take this gate apart. You see how the gate is braced on the back and there's a screw into that picket? I want to take this brace off so I can get that picket off. I'm going to pop this cap plug right off. Okay, so I can get in there with the drill. I'm going to take this screw off of here. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver to take the screw out of the picket. Now, if you look inside, we have these gate sockets on the inside on both sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the gate socket off on both sides. I'm going to take that post off. All right, I'm going to take this board out, the damaged board, and we're going to put a new board in, which I have right here. Board has to be cut about 3 inches. Okay, I measured that before. The distance between the two rails was 59 inches, and I add 3 inches to that so that it goes into the rail, 1.5 inches on both sides, and I marked at 62 inches. New board. Take my side channel, get rid of this piece of junk. Gonna put this back on. Now let's put the post back on. Alex, hold that end. Line it up as best you can. Okay. Post is back in there. Now we're going to put our screws back into the gate sockets. Now we're going to put our rail back on. Let's get a new cap, a little bit of glue. And our gate is fixed. If you damage one of our gates, you could easily take it apart. We use a really good gate socket, a couple of screws. We take the gate apart, we put a new board in there. It saves you from buying a brand new gate. Some companies don't use side posts for the gates. They will actually glue an entire gate together, and if there's any kind of damage to the gate, you basically got to buy a brand new gate. They're very, very difficult to repair. Our gates hold together extremely well, and they're extremely easy to repair if they get damaged.